Let's go. It's the one, the only coach, your favorite coach, FLO, back at it. Another episode, and I'm excited. Got a jam-packed episode. It's been crazy this last few days. This whole week, it's been nothing but fireworks. When I say fireworks. And if you are stopping by the channel for the first time, hey, this is the one, the only Coach Flo, known as the generational investor. All right, known as the generational investor. Consider yourself hitting that thumbs up, hitting that like before it's all said and done. I'm gonna share with you some updated news, and before we close out, just a word of wisdom, verse of the day, and I'm gonna just get it started. All right, so let's get this thing started with Nvidia. Nvidia, do you hear what I'm saying? Nvidia has went off. Hey, at the time of recording, Nvidia is sitting at $1,064, and the things that Nvidia, have did was beat earnings, beat the sales, and it jumped 262%. I'm gonna say it again. It jumped 262% in sales. We're talking about a 25-fold in 5 years. All right, 25-fold in 5 years. And the main key catalyst that I'm excited about, a 10-to-1 stock split. Yes, the 10-to-1 stock split. They announced it because this thing has gone over 1,000. And anytime a company goes over 1,000, 9 times out of 10, big companies like this, they do stock splits. And when I mean stock splits, now you and I can get these shares at a reasonable price. So a 10-to-1 stock split will put it like around $100. And this is a game changer for all the Nvidia shareholders. Shout out to you, because I'm one of them, and I'm gonna continue to keep on dollar cost averaging, getting something for me, getting something for my son, and I'm not your financial advisor to tell you what you can buy, hold, or sell, but I'm just giving you just a little bit advice on definitely consider Nvidia, because Nvidia, this is a game changer for the AI, all right, for the AI industry. And this is one right here has a lot of backing, and I mean a lot of backing, because it's tied with the S&P. So it's part of the S&P. So when a company gets with the S&P, that is a game changer. And so this one right here, this one is the one that you want to continue to dollar cost average and build up positions and build up generational wealth. I'm excited about Nvidia because I'm gonna get a whole bunch of Nvidia. Definitely looking to buy, continue to dollar cost average and load up. And like I always tell anybody and everybody, if you don't have $1,000 to spare, you can fractional share. I'm gonna say it again. If you don't have $1,000 to spare, you can always fractional share. I consider this like a $5. You can do $5, you can do $10. Whatever that you can afford to put in, this is a no-brainer. Nvidia is going to change the world. All right, this is definitely one of the leading companies that will have the artificial intelligence space going to the next level. It's gonna go to the next level. That's why I want to continue to dollar cost average. So definitely the 10-to stock split, it will be hitting the markets or the NASDAQ and trading in about 2 weeks or so. Yep, about 2 weeks or so. So watch out around like June 6th. Okay, around June 6th, 6th and 7th, that they'll be doing that stock split, and definitely gonna look to cop up some shares and just continue to load up and build up my shares. All right, moving on to the next artificial intelligence sleeper. I'm definitely bullish on this one, just like Nvidia. Palantir. Okay, Palantir is sitting at times recording $21. Definitely, Palantir has a lot of strong growth, and I mean a lot of opportunity, a lot of upside. Okay, when you think of Palantir, the next 2 to 3, 5 years, $21 is going to be a discount. And for those who didn't jump on this price, shame on you. Shame on you. All right. And they also have installed another artificial intelligence platform. This one's called the AIP, all right, AIP, Artificial Intelligence Platform. And this one right here, it includes, and the things that's within this platform is kind of like Siri, all right, for Apple iPhone users, this one's kind of like Siri. And so they incorporate this in their space of Palantir, and they partner with, they put this as the large language models. So they incorporate this within the platform. So they include large language models. They have the available government, defense, and private sector. So Palantir is tied in with a lot of different spaces. The medical space, the technology space, the entertainment space, the gaming space. Palantir is looking to really partner with a lot of different companies. And when you partner with a lot of different companies, that's where the growth and opportunity comes in at, okay? I always say diversify. So Palantir is well diversified, especially when you talk about the military, when you talk about the government, and this is a game changer with the platform of artificial intelligence. So Palantir is definitely, I have a decent amount. I'm gonna continue to add more positions to my portfolio because definitely looking to make money off this particular stock, okay? This one right here, this one will double and most likely will triple. So I'm definitely continue to just do my dollar cost average. DCA, I always say DCA is the way, okay? So DCA, for those who don't know, you buy low, you buy high, it's just in that same increments. So you buy $10 a week, $10 a month, $20 a week, and so forth. Okay, so that's what you call dollar cost average. So when it goes up, goes down, you're averaging off the price, and definitely Palantir is the one to continue to buy, especially at this price, because like I said, the next 2 to 3 years, this price, you're gonna look back at this and be like, man, I wish I would have got in when this thing was at $20, because it will be $40, it will be $60. And an all-time high before the market crashed in 2020, it was at $60. So definitely it's gonna go past the all-time high the next time it runs up in the next bull market. Okay, so it's definitely, the more revenue, capital inflows into Palantir and the more connections and partnerships it form, watch Palantir move, and it's going to move at a good rate. So I'm definitely looking to continue to definitely purchase shares. All right, so as we switch gears from the artificial intelligence, because I'm very bullish on artificial intelligence, we're gonna switch to, you already know, crypto. What can I say about crypto? Man, I just say crypto is it's a game changer, just like artificial intelligence. And so without further ado, Bitcoin is sitting at 69,000, and the latest news on Bitcoin, and which impacts the whole crypto space, they passed this crypto bill called the FIT21, all right, FIT 21, and it got passed in the House, and so now they're waiting for the Senate. And if you ain't been paying attention, this is election year, and that's a critical thing to crypto. All right, a critical thing to crypto. Whether you are Democrat or you're Republican, or either or, whether you believe in Trump or you believe in Biden, all right, they are really looking to get votes on those who support crypto. And the last time I did my research, that's a lot of people who owns crypto, whether it's a little or it's a lot. And so this right here, this election and running up to the election, you will see Bitcoin move. And they already saying, analysts that I'm talking about is predicting, once it get past that 74 resistance line, it's gonna shoot to 80. Okay, it's going to shoot to 80. Okay, so with that, you have the Democrats who support this bill, and that's why it got passed. And so waiting for the Senate to see what they have to say about that. But whether you are, like I said, whichever side you're on, because we're not trying to get into politics, but both candidates are pushing for support based off of those who have crypto. So they're saying, like President Trump saying, if you vote for me, I'm gonna do this for crypto. And then you got the current president, President Joe, he's saying, hey, crypto, if you vote for me, I do this for crypto. Just saying. Now, since the ETF's been passed and now getting to election season, the latter part of this year, as we getting close, watch Bitcoin move, and it's gonna move. And so with that being catalyst, the next one, you already know how I feel about Ethereum. Man, when I say Ethereum, sitting at 3,742. Ethereum, I've stated in previous videos about the ETF, whether it was gonna get passed or it was gonna get delayed. They finally passed and approved the ETF. And with that news, watch Ethereum. According to analysts, I have to write this down. I said, whoa. They're saying by the end of June, Ethereum will be around about 5,000. Now, the last time, the all-time high, the last bull market in the bull run, Ethereum was at 48,000. I'm not sorry. No, 4,800. Okay, 4,800. And they're saying now, since you got the ETFs and being approved, they're saying by the end of June it'll be 5,000. And then let's take a step further. By the mid part of July or the end of July, it's gonna be at 5,600. So we're talking about how it's going to continue to rise up. Okay. The crazy part about it, we're just in the pre-bull. We're not even in the bull market, because when Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is the main two juggernauts, move, watch the memes move, the Bonks and the Pepes and the Shibas and all these, the Doge. It's all tied in together. And so when they move, watch the alts. The alts is next. The different Solanas and the different Cardanos and all the different type of altcoins are going to move. So it's all tied in together. So I'm excited and bullish about crypto in general, because I continue to buy and dollar cost averaging crypto. All right, creating that generational wealth takes time, and it takes patience, and you have to have strategy. So with that being said, I want to leave you with the verse of the day, some wisdom, some nuggets, some gems that I'm going to drop on you. All right, so Proverbs 13:11 states that dishonest money dwindles away. Okay, dishonest money dwindles away. Okay, and it is so much corruption. There's so many ways to get money and different get-rich schemes, and everybody is trying to do a come up and all that. But if you are patient and if you are wise, that's where your generational wealth will come. Okay, I said it again. There's so many ways to get money. Okay, and we don't have time to get into all that. But if you want to get wealthy and not rich, because you can get rich, all types of ways to get rich, but easy come, easy go. But if you are patient, if you are wise, and if you are a good steward, a lot of people lack stewardship and they wonder why they're not getting blessed how they should be and how God intended them to be. So you have to be patient. All right, investing, and I think I'm gonna do another video on what's investment versus trading. All right, a lot of people get the things misconstrued, and so they look at what is this as far as how much they can try to run it up. Okay, how much they try to run it up. And so when it comes to investing and trading, there are two different things, and then they try to use a gambling mindset. So investing is not gambling. So I think I'm gonna work on the upcoming episode when it comes to what investing and trading versus gambling, because those two things are way different. So if you looking to make a quick lick, this is not the game for you. Investing requires strategic strategy, research, due diligence, homework, patience. Okay, so you can't get greedy in investing. because that's how you get burned, and that's how you lose a lot of money, and a lot of people have got burned. All right, so I definitely want to leave you with some gems in the verse of the day. Leave me some positive feedback in the comments, because I am next week looking to go live. All right, looking to go live, and I'm excited about that. Been looking to set the time, and so now starting to get a little bit more time, so I'll be looking to go live, and definitely won't be the first time. Watch out this summer, I'll be going live quite a few times this summer. All right, I'm looking forward to meeting all generational investors, and if you want to be a generational investor, hit that subscribe, hit that thumbs up, hit that notification bell, because like I always say, don't let no one tell you what you can or can't do, because it can happen through who? You. I'll see you in the next one.